Hey, we're in the basement. We're working on the drawer from the Quantum. That's a Thor Quantum. It's 2017. This thing is almost new. It's 5 years old. It's falling apart. This is crazy workmanship. Talk about cheap, cheap, cheap. Take a look at this. All right. Hey, look. They got a nice dado joint here where they put the drawer bottom in. You see the drawer bottom? Oh, where's the dado in the back? Wait a minute. All we did was staple. We didn't even glue it, and it's all loose and floppy. So what we're going to have to do here, we have to set this up. We have to glue that with some Gorilla Glue, turn it up, put some staples in it to hold it. But again, hey, top of the line Quantum. What's with the cheap shit? You know, I just don't get it, guys. Why so cheap? All right, so the first thing we're going to do, got to get our glue so it's going to come out. We're going to basically come in here, push this away a little, and so we can get some glue squirted in here. You can see we got a pretty good amount of glue in there. Now, all right, so we clamped this up with some C-clamps. We ran a bunch of 5/8 brad nailers in here. Now we're going to let the glue dry, and tomorrow we can put that back out there. But not sure why if this is supposed to be a Quantum top of the line, that we didn't put a dado joint there. And make that more secure, guys. Kind of cheap, shoddy workmanship on Thor's part. Okay, hey, another thing on the Quantum. Now, this is a Thor Quantum. Now, come on, guys. Look, I could see daylight through down here. Right here, I could see daylight. There was so much space. Although, I'm going to caulk that, but I put some plastic in there so it wouldn't, the caulk wouldn't just drip through. So, let's set up. Let's get our caulk gun. Let's get some caulk in there. Hey, welcome back to the RV. We are inside here. Our caulk, you can see, is dry and firm, so that's good. Now we're going to start loading this up. So we're going to put our jack, what have you, here. We're going to put a bar back here for our tire iron stuff. It's going to go back there, up here on top. So we got to make a mount for that yet, but we'll get that done. But take a look what we got here. And let's get it loaded up.